Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Jakara and this is Jakara Can Style. On this channel I like to talk about everything style related, including beauty and DIYs and fashion and all of that. So if you like those kind of topics, then just stay tuned. And today's video is going to be about self-care. Self-care. We all love self-care, right? For me, I don't do a whole lot of like beauty regimen things, but the one thing I do like to have is nice looking nails. And my hands are looking a little rough today, you guys. I'm sorry. But I've been doing like some construction type work in my bathroom. And if you haven't seen the makeover of my bathroom, then part one of that makeover is already up on the channel. I will link it in the card somewhere up here so you can check that out. But that kind of work has been really rough on my hands and my nails and my manicure. Now, every once in a while I will go to the salon to get my nails done, but I usually do them myself. I've been doing them myself for years, and I think I've perfected the technique for my nails. Now I like to wear a gel base, like a builder gel, and then a gel polish on it, and that just keeps my nails nice and strong. Obviously the gel protects my real nails, and my nails grow out really fast when I do it this way. So this is going to be a nail video, and if you want to see how to do your own gel nails, then just stay tuned. Now, obviously I'm not a professional, and obviously I may do some things that may not be what a professional would do, but this is for an at-home gel manicure. So if you want to see how I do that, then just stay tuned. Here are the items that you'll need: a UV gel lamp, cotton balls or cotton pads, your nail color, your gel nail color, your builder gel. You'll need a brush to use for the builder gel, and some non-acetone polish remover, and a file. And this is an optional thing that you can use. It's an e-file. I like to use it because it makes things just faster to remove the gel. So here I am I'm using that e-file, and I'm removing the old gel that was on my nail. This is the top coat that I'm removing right now. Eventually I'll get down to the actual gel color, and I just kind of use the e-file, and just, you can see some of the dust flying off there from me removing it. And it gets pretty hot on the nail, so you have to be careful with this. You try not to turn up the file too high, or you could actually burn your nail, or burn through your nail. Then I use a regular file, and I just go in and remove any remaining polish, that's gel polish, that's still on there, and just try to shape the nail a little bit. Any parts that have chipped off, I try to file that down. Just try to smooth it out as best I can with the regular file. You don't need the e-file, but the e-file just makes things a lot faster. I eventually just end up using the regular file anyway. So I'm just speeding through this process now, just to show you how I'm just getting off that nail polish there that was on my nail. Here you can see me just pushing back my cuticle so that I can expose as much of the new part of my nail as possible, and just try to keep the gel from kind of welling down into my cuticle. Now I'm going to take the builder gel. This is actually builder gel. It's a little thicker gel, the foundation of the nail, to put over my regular nails. And it's in a color pink color, so it looks close to my regular nail color. looks as natural as you can possibly make it. And then I just layer that on to, and especially the area where there is no builder gel and the new growth, I put it up towards my cuticle and just kind of spread it out. This stuff is kind of tricky to work with. It doesn't dry, so it just kind of runs and self levels. So you have to be careful about how you put it on. You don't want to put it too close to the cuticle, because then it'll run into the cuticle and it'll run off the sides as well. So it takes a little while to get used to dealing with gel, but I think once you get the technique down, then it just becomes really simple. It's like painting your nails. I like to turn my hand upside down so that the gel kind of levels and creates an arch on the middle of my nail, and I hold it there for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then I clean off the edges and the areas where gel may have spilled over to the sides or onto the cuticle. So I try to clean up that area as much as possible, and then I cure it in my UV lamp for about 60 seconds. Once I get the nails out of the UV lamp, I use my non-acetone nail polish remover to just remove the sticky layer that's left over, and I clean all that sticky layer off. And then I will go back in with my regular file and shape the nail and get rid of any kind of weird lumps or bumps on the nail the way the gel dried, and just shape the nail exactly how I want it before I start to polish it. So the rest of this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to polish my nails with the gel polish, and then I'm going to cure the polish in under the UV lamp, and then I'll add a second coat of polish, cure it again. I usually cure for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then finally I will put a top coat on, and I might put 2 coats of the top coat on just to protect the polished color. then again, I go back in with the non-acetone nail polish remover just to remove that last sticky layer from the top coat that I put on. And then after that, I am done with the gel. I then go in after this with some oil. I have a little mixture of oil that I use not only for my hair but for my nails. And I just go in and put it on my cuticles and rub it in real good and then go wash my hands. Okay, you guys, that's it for this video, and I am done with my nails. I only did one hand because of time constraints, and as you can see, the sun is about to go down. So I was just trying to show you how I do it. It's pretty simple. Doesn't take a long time unless you have like really long nails or you're trying to put like extensions on your nails or whatever, but yeah, I think it looks pretty good. If you want to get a closer look, I tried to show earlier what it looks like. But I picked this color because it was not very spring-like, this lilac color. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to help, especially at this time when we're quarantining, we can't go to the salon and we have to kind of do these things ourselves. Like I said, I've been doing these things myself for a long time. So it's an easy transition for me. But anyway, let me know down below if there's any like at home do it yourself kind of beauty regimens that you're doing that you usually go get done at the salon. Like I said, the nails are usually something that I would do myself, but sometimes I go to the salon. But you know, just let me know if there's anything else that you know how to do at home, or if you want to see me do something else at home, like I do my eyebrows, and you know, I'm interested in doing lash extensions. That's what I'm interested in doing at home. So we'll see if I can get that done. Anyway, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And if you are so inclined, you can go ahead and subscribe to this channel. You know, we upload videos about travel, fashion, lifestyle. Of course, I can't travel now, so you know, it's going to be mostly fashion and lifestyle stuff. So anyway, I will talk to you in the next video, and until then, take care.